up, guys? Got the Jeep over here, got the glass taken out. Started working out this metal route right here. Just a little bit, needs a little more right here. And then this corner right here for the tail light. And then we're gonna put the new gate in and see how it lines up. Okay, so we got the rear bumper on with the rear trunk on and everything. Got it to line up pretty good all the way around. And then after that, I just gotta fit the taillights on, make sure everything's sitting right. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have to cut it through here just to straighten out the metal back here. And then re-weld it and grind it down. Because you can see how it dips down right here. You could feel there's a lip right here. And that should be it for this quarter. And then a layer of filler to get it all straight. Okay, so I got the first layer all sanded down, added a couple more layers on it. They're really light layers of filler. It's getting pretty close, looking good. Got the line showing over there. Still got a couple low spots right here and right here. And this one up here. This is the major one right here. I want to get this all straightened out before I work on this edge with the tailgate and the tail light. Okay, so I added body filler to the low spots, and there were some pinholes over here. Okay, so I got the quarter looking real good. All the lines are real nice. Just gotta get the new bracket for this. Should hold the bumper right there. The tail light lines up very good. And this gap is great too. Up next, just gotta get it painted. And it should be all done.